Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to sync your Windows 10 clock time with the internet clock time. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in time. You now need to click on change the date and time. And we now need to click on additional date, time and regional settings. And you now need to click on set time and date. And we now need to go across to internet time. And if we click on change settings, you will now have a window that looks like this. And as you can see, my computer is set to sync with the internet time server. You do have a few different servers you can choose from. So if you are getting an error with the current server you have selected, just click on this little drop down menu and you can select the other server or whatever servers you have listed. Once you have selected a server, we can now go ahead and press update now. And there we go. As you can see, my clock has successfully been synced with the internet time server, and it has updated my clock to the current time. And it really is that easy. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.